Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth. First time viewer, we thank you for stopping by, and to our returning viewers, we thank you guys so much. Guys, we haven't made a video in a while. I know, but we've been working very hard. However, today we're outside and we're going to be making some burgers and hot dogs. Let me show you what we got on our table, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. This is what we have on our table. We have some lettuce, tomatoes, and an onion. We have some hot dogs and hamburger meat. And we have the buns as well. Fire's over here. Let me show you. So this is our fire, guys. Almost ready for me to put on the hot dogs. When all the coals turn white, we're ready to go. All right, so the fire is ready. And I'm going to start dropping our burgers on here, guys. All right, so we just leave these and let them cook. And we're going to start cutting up our veggies. Mama. Yes, guys, so let us check on our burger. Come back here.
All right, I'm gonna go over there and finish.
All right, I'll let you know when they're done.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
bro. Yes, guys, so this is what we've been working on. Yes, man. So this has been taking up quite a bit of time, and it has been raining a lot, so we couldn't come outside and make a video anyways, guys. Yes, remember the last time, well, remember a couple videos back, I'll patch it in here, where the water came in and almost washed our pot off the fire, guys. Well, this is the comeback that we made, and now we should be able to come outside and make videos even if it rains. Hopefully, you know, this helps to prevent some of that water from settling there. So yes, guys, this has been taking up some of our time, but we're almost done. You know, we still got to go back to the store and get some more of the gravel to put here. Yes, guys, I miscalculated. But nevertheless, you know, the store is not too far away and I'll get some more of this gravel and finish up this nice work here, guys. Show you from this side. Yes, I just got to wash it off, guys. So when I wash it off and the beauty come up, because these rocks are black rocks, but they are dusty right now. And you guys will see what's going on. I'll post a picture in the community section so you guys can see. Yes, we know it's a food video. Now I gotta take too long to show this part, guys. So I just put the lettuce in here. Wash them off real quick. Product. You can add whatever condiments you want on there. Ketchup, mayo, mustard, whatever you like, guys. You can add it on here. I might just eat mine like this, or I might add a little ketchup. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.